Welcome to our video on pre-filled forms, making form filling a breeze. Let's get started. First, let's understand what pre-filled forms are. Imagine it's your first day at a new job. You're handed an employee onboarding form. It's like a questionnaire, asking for your details and preferences. Name, phone number, address, and more. Here's the enchanting aspect of pre-filled forms. Instead of an empty form, it's already filled with some of your details. So, how to create these pre-filled forms? Let's say you have an online form building platform, like PlatoForms. Here's what you can do: go to the Invitations section and set up your form invitation. If you need help, check our documentation. After filling out the rest of the details, click Pre-fill Form. This opens the form. Just fill in the info you want. You can control whether others can see or edit a pre-filled field. Just use the eye icon to show or hide it, and the pen icon to allow or restrict editing. For example, if you want them to see the field but not change it, uncheck the eye and check the pen. For global settings, at the top of the page, you can turn a read-only and a hidden options on or off as per your requirements. Once you've finished creating the pre-filled form, click Save Pre-filled Form. When your recipient gets the form invitation and opens it, they'll notice that some of the information is already filled out. And that's it. Pre-filled forms save time, reduce errors, and make processes smoother. Try it out in your form building journey. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more form building tips. See you next time.